Judi Johnson here, Executive Function Coach. This week I've been getting a lot of questions about how to get your kids to help out with lunch or even make their entire lunch. So this is a subject that is near and dear to my heart because I hate making lunches. So we've been working on this in my house and I wanted to show you what we've been doing and how to break it down into 3 easy steps for success. So the first one is make it easy. The second one is break it down into baby steps. And the third thing is be supportive. So step 1, make it easy. By making it easy, it's nice to group things into containers so that the kids don't have to run all over the kitchen. They just have to grab a few things. So the first thing we have here is we have the container of Tupperware. So this is at easy reach. They have all the containers all at their fingertips and it's super easy. The next thing is we have the bread container. So this, at an easy glance, you can grab your bread and start to make your sandwich. So when we go into the fridge, I group all the condiments right here in this area, cleverly named sandwich stuff, followed by we grab the lunch meats, and so in one container you've got your cheeses, your meats, all in one spot. So after they've made their sandwich, then they're likely to want a granola bar. So we have our granola bar. This is all the easy stuff that they might want to grab, all in one convenient container. Lastly, if you want bonus points, you can have the vegetable container. So this has easy peasy, grab your veggies and stick them in the container and you're ready to go. So that's step 1, make it easy. Step 2, break it down into baby steps. So I don't recommend saying, okay, tomorrow it is time to make your lunch, go ahead and do it. I'd break it down into baby steps. So the first time my kids helped out, I made all the lunch, I made the sandwich, I made the veggies, the fruits, and all they had to do was add the snacks. So, and that was when they were quite little. Then the next year, they had to do the snacks and the sandwich, and I just made sure they had their fruits and veggies. This summer, when we had extra time, I just had them make their entire lunch all by themselves. It was great. So now when they came into the school year, they were ready to go. So breaking it down into baby steps is highly recommended. Now, if you have a senior or something and you don't have years to break this down, I'd definitely recommend breaking it down by week. So the first week, they can just add the snacks. The second week, they make the sandwich. The third week, they do the whole thing or something, whatever works for your kiddo. So step 3, be supportive. In the beginning, make it easy for them. Take out the containers. Make sure you give them lots of kudos. Teach them how to do things. Tell them things like, wow, it must feel very empowering to make your own lunch so that you can have choices and develop your independent skills. So that's be supportive. So, in a nutshell, you want to make it easy, break things down to baby steps, and be supportive. Couple do's and don'ts. Don't throw them to the wolves. Don't say, tomorrow you're making your own lunch, and send them out. Do teach them or talk to them about why this is important. Why should kids make their own lunch? Because they need to develop their self-help skills and their independent skills, and it's just going to set them up for success in the future. So good luck to you. If you like this video and want to hear more tips, teaching a parenting class called Parenting a Little Easier, you can join me. Bye for now.